How did the Space Shuttle build the International Space Station? Imagine a giant puzzle floating in space, with each piece carefully placed to create a new home for astronauts and scientists. That's exactly what the Space Shuttle helped build in orbit. The process started in the late 1990s, with more than 40 flights dedicated to assembling the International Space Station. The shuttle was the main delivery vehicle, bringing up modules, truss segments, solar arrays, and other important parts. Out of all the parts, the shuttle delivered 36 of the major components needed to complete the station. The first step was launching the Russian Zarya module, which means sunrise in Russian. It was the first piece of the station, launched by a Russian rocket. Then came the shuttle mission called SDS-88, which carried the Unity module. Unity was the first US-built node, and it connected to Zarya to form the core of the station. Astronauts used the shuttle's robotic arm, called the Remote Manipulator System, to carefully grab Unity from the cargo bay and guide it into place to dock with Zarya. This process took precise movements and teamwork. After that, the shuttle kept bringing more modules and parts. It delivered truss segments, which are long, tube-like structures that form the backbone of the station. These segments are as long as a school bus and hold solar panels and radiators to keep the station cool. Installing these segments was a big task. Astronauts used the robotic arm and performed spacewalks to connect and secure the pieces. They also installed solar arrays that generate power for the station, and other hardware needed for life support and data transfer. Astronauts trained for these complex tasks on Earth. They practiced spacewalks in large pools that simulate weightlessness, learned how to operate the robotic arm, and mastered how to connect modules with special latches and bolts. These connections had to be airtight and secure, so they used pressurized vestibules to safely link the modules together. Each shuttle mission lasted about a week, but some went longer depending on what needed to be done. During these missions, astronauts performed spacewalks to connect power and data cables, install hardware, and prepare the station for future additions. The shuttle served as both a delivery truck and a mobile workspace in orbit, making it possible to build the International Space Station piece by piece. All of this required careful planning and coordination between the shuttle's robotic systems and the astronauts' manual work. The training ensured everyone knew exactly what to do to keep the missions safe and successful. Thanks to the Space Shuttle, the International Space Station grew into a thriving laboratory that orbits our planet today.